I never do an intro anymore. Okay, so my intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darcelina and I haven't been here in a while, but today I'm filming my May 2021 Ipsy bag, which is this really. And if you want to see what was in it, stay tuned. I think I'm recording. Okay, so I got a new camera. It's so hard for me to look at the lens when my my screen thingy is like up here, so I'm trying to look at the lens instead of at myself. But anyways, I got a new camera and the quality is amazing. Although the only problem I don't like about it is just that it doesn't come with a mic input. So I'm hoping this video comes out well because this is my first time using it and edit for YouTube. This is kind of my first time just using it. Anyway, so I'm filming my May Ipsy bag today. I think you can see. I actually got this in the mail like 2 weeks ago and I was like, ooh, I should film it because this is the first time I've ever gotten it so early. But this is me filming it like the 27th, which is like 3 days or 4 days away from the month ending. But this is how it looks, so let's go and see what's inside. Okay, I love these little booklets. They're so cute. We love Mom's Mother's Day giveaway. I should have opened this a while ago and do their giveaway because I did not know this was happening. Look at it. Okay, so the first item is called the St. Luxe. I think it's a lip liner or an eyeliner. Let's see. So it's called the St. Luxe Lip Liner Duo in Moscato and Vino. So I'm hoping there's two, or at least it's gonna be at least one eyeliner that has the 2 points. Okay, the full size is $40. That's nice. I'm not a huge eyeliner person. I'm not a huge lip liner person. I do use lip liner, but just browns. And okay, so this is a burgundy one, and this one is more of a, it's kind of like a brown, but I feel like it's not gonna be a black girl brown, more like I don't know if that makes any sense. But and I'm just gonna do a little swatch and see how it looks on my hand. Oh, this is nice. This was like my favorite lipstick color to wear in high school. Look at it. This is nice. Well, I prefer deeper reds, but this is nice. Okay, and for the Moscato color, you can't even see that in my hand. It's like, it's making my hand ashy. Yeah, you can't really see that. It's the one right at the bottom. That's the Moscato color. I like the burgundy one, but honestly, I think my problem with Ipsy is that even though I keep getting it, I rarely have use for their beauty products because I think I'm more into skincare now. So it's like I keep getting a bunch of beauty products that I'm actually not gonna use. Okay, so the next one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. Okay, anyway, yeah, that's what it is. So last time I actually got a brow pencil from Ipsy, it was a blonde one, and I'm like, I tell you people that my skin color is like brown, my hair is black, but yet I'm getting blonde eyebrow pencils. This isn't coming out. I'm gonna rip the box. It's so tiny. That is so cute, but this is like a one-day thing. At least it's my eyebrow color. Kind of. It's like, it's a brown shade, like a dark brown shade, but I feel like it has some grayish undertone. I don't know what's that about, but look at it. It is so cute. Okay, so this is the next item. Oh, I think it's focusing by itself. No, it's looking for my face. Okay, yeah, so the next item is the Formula 10.0.6 One Smooth Operator Pore Cleaning Face Scrub with Zinc, Oat, and Pumice. I actually have the full size of this in my bathroom, so I don't even really need it because I bought it for my face, but it is so rough. Like, every time I'm using it on my face, it just feels like I'm trying to scrub my skin away. So I started using it on my body, but I guess I'll just have this once it's finished. I'm never gonna buy this again, never, because it's just too rough. You can't use this on your face. Don't do it. Okay, the last item is, oh, this was my chosen item. Okay, if you guys don't know, Ipsy does let you choose one item each month before they ship your bag. I think they let you do it like a few days before the next month starts. That's usually how they let me do it, so it's probably the same for everybody. And this was the item that I chose simply because I've used Origins before and it is so good. So this is the Origins Clear Improvement Active this is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. And I don't really have big pores, but I do have oily skin-ish. I do have oily skin, and this works wonders on my face. So I'm really glad to have received this. I'm just gonna show you guys the texture. I'm just gonna show you guys the texture and how it looks. Okay, my hand is becoming a mess. So this is how the texture looks. It's like, yeah, and then you basically just let that dry, and that's it. Okay, so the last item I believe is in this bag, okay, is the Ahava Deep Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. Yay, it focused. Okay, I've actually received one of this before from Ipsy, and the one that I received was like a greenish color. When I find it, I'll just post a picture on the side. But they smell so good. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Their product smells so good. This one is Spring Blossom. I like the color, but the other one is just so much prettier. But the other one is also a hand lotion, but it smells amazing. It's like what spring should smell like, or like what everyday life should smell like. But let's see how this one smells. Okay, so I'm kind of disappointed. The other one smells really good, and this one, I don't know, the smell is very, very light. I almost can't smell anything, so that's a little disappointing, because when I saw it, I really thought it was gonna smell like the blue one, the Deep Sea Mineral hand lotion from Ahava, but I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I think this is all that I received from my May 2021 Ipsy bag. I also have the April one that I never used because I wanted to film that as well, and I just keep procrastinating when it comes to filming anything, and I can't even promise that I'm gonna do better because it's like I can't. Anyways, yeah, that was my Ipsy 2021 bag. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you do, leave a thumbs up. Well, that's the same thing as liking. Oh my god, I feel slow right now. Okay, so leave a thumbs up, comment something, and what else? Subscribe if you want to. Only if you want to.